Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Referral Rock for customer referral management, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Referral Rock for customer referral management, begin by visiting the Referral Rock website. Create an account if you don't already have one by clicking the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and a secure password. Once you've created your account, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll see multiple options for managing your referral program. Select the Setup tab to begin configuring your referral program. Choose the type of program you want to create, such as a customer referral or affiliate program. After selecting the program type, customize your program settings to fit your business needs. Add details about the rewards you'll offer to referrers and referees. Incorporate branding elements such as your company logo and color palette. Next, configure the referral links that customers will share. Set rules for your program to define how referrals will be tracked. Adjust privacy settings to ensure compliance with regulations. Review the integration options available for connecting Referral Rock with your existing tools. Select any necessary integrations, such as email marketing or e-commerce platforms. Once you've set everything up, preview your referral program to see how it will appear to users. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. When satisfied with your program's setup, save your changes. Finally, launch your referral program and encourage your customers to participate. Monitor program performance through the analytics dashboard to track referrals and rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.